I hope now you all can hear my voice. Am I audible
Yes,
to you
ma'am.
all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. Let everybody come. Okay. Chaliye. Quickly your attendance, and we have to do what we have to do, class. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What we have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. I am asking. Okay. Anushka Gupta is present.
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Then we have Bhavya Dikshit. Then
Present, ma'am.
we have Rishabh then in the class.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Kushagra Singh Gautam.
Present.
Then we have Maruf Ali.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Maruf. Then we have Sharad.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have Siddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Tanishka, I believe. Then we have Vanshika Sharma and Yashraj Raghuvanshi. Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Total 10 participants are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Parth, Kumar Parth is there or not?
Ma'am, he is not here.
Yes, Rishabh?
Ma'am, Kumar is not here.
Parth is not here. This is what I'm seeing, checking also as well. Okay. Then we have Chaliye. Fine. Now tell me what exactly we were doing in the previous class. Where did we stop? Where did we stop yesterday? Okay.
Ma'am, we have completed the chapter. We have to start the exercises.
We have to start the exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
वॉइस हो गई, ऊपर कर दी मैंने. वॉइस ऊपर कर दी. वॉल्यूम ना रुको. क्यों ऊपर हटाओ इसको. ये तो कम बट हो गई है. इसको भी हटा दो. रुको रुको रुको. वॉल्यूम देखने दो ना. यहाँ पे आ जाओ. 100% है मैम. हाई है. अब आप स्टार्ट करो. हाँ जी. We have completed chapter 8, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to do question answers and exercises of the same chapter. Okay. This is page number 302. All have opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So who will give the first answer to the choose the correct answer? I am reading out. Social justice targets the dash people of the society.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, marginalized people.
Very good. Marginalized people of the society. Very good. Second, which article prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
Article 17.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Article,
Article
Article
15.
17.
Article 15, beta. Article 15. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Very good. Very good, Tanishka. Next. Rishabh, read and tell the answer. Third one.
The Ministry to Tribals Affairs was set up in, wait a minute, please.
In option answer.
Ma'am, option A.
It is option D.
Ma'am, A.
1999. Option D, beta, is the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye, koi nahi. Next, Tanishka, will you read it for me and give the answer?
Okay, ma'am. Uh, the percentage of reservation for the OBCs in the government services is, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Rishabh.
Ma'am,
It's
27%.
27.
Option C, 27%. Very good. Option C, 27%. Fifth one, Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one,
Ma'am,
beta.
the Indian government abolished the practice of
Vanshika, your voice is not clear. It is echoing a lot. No problems. But Bhavya, will you tell the answer to this question? Bhavya?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Tanishka.
The India government abolished the practice of manual scavenging in the year 1993.
Yes, option B, correct answer. Very good. Now coming to fill in the blanks. Kushagra, will you tell the blanks?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Rishabh, tell.
First one is Article dash provide equal opportunities to all. Ma'am, Article 17.
16. Article 16, beta. Next. Who will tell the next answer? Siddhi?
It was 13. Ma'am, manual scavenger.
हाँ. Dash Act was passed in 2013. ठीक है. इसका आंसर है prohibition of employment as manual scavengers and their rehabilitation. Has everybody written? Beta written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next. Third one. Bhavya? भव्या बताओ बेटा आंसर. Tanishka, will you tell the answer?
Scavenging is mostly done.
Is mostly done by the
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, Dalit answer.
Dalits. Very good. Dalits is the correct answer. Very good. Next. Next, who will tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, the OBCs receive financial aid in the form of, ma'am, I think pre and post matric scholarship facilities.
Very good. This is correct. Very good. Last one, can you tell?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, I don't know this one.
Anybody who would like to try? Anybody who would like to try this? Class?
Ma'am, I don't know last one.
Okay, Siddhi? Siddhi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the last blank? बेटा इसका पास्ट इनइक्वालिटीज भी हो सकता है, ठीक है तनिष्का?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. Now let us come to true false, right? True false. चलिए कौन बताएगा? मारूफ, आप बताएंगे आंसर्स? आर यू देयर मारूफ?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ. ट्रू फॉल्स पढ़ो, स्टेटमेंट पढ़ो, आंसर बताओ.
Ma'am, I
यस मारूफ?
don't.
ओके. तनिष्का?
Yes, ma'am.
फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ट्रू फॉल्स.
Okay, ma'am. Through the process of marginalization, backward and minority groups are empowered. Ma'am, this is true.
Okay, very good. No, this is false.
Ma'am, false.
This. Through the process of marginalization, backward and minority groups are discriminated. They are not empowered. Marginalization का मतलब ही discrimination होता है.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? चलिए. It should be discriminated and it is false. ठीक है? जहाँ पे empowered है उसको underline करके discriminated लिखेंगे and the correct answer is false. ठीक है? Next. Women's right to equal pay for equal work has been recognized under the Article 35D. True or false?
Ma'am, it's false.
It is false. What is that?
Ma'am, Article 39.
Very good. 39D recognizes women's right to equal pay for equal work. Very good. Next, fundamental rights in our Constitution emphasize only on improving the conditions of scheduled castes.
Ma'am, it's false.
What should be the correct answer? What? बताओ. It should be marginalized communities. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Of marginalized communities. Next. Forcing a member of a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe to drink or eat any inedible or obnoxious substance is a punishable offense. True or false, Bhavya?
Ma'am, true.
It is true. Very good. So with this, we come to an end to all the exercises of the chapter. Now let us start. Yes, who is this?
Can you repeat the fill in the blanks?
Can you repeat the blanks? Where you are wrong, we will correct you. Kushagra? Read out the statements and I'll tell you the answers, okay?
Ma'am, article dash provides equal economic opportunities to
Article 16, 1616. Second one.
That act was passed in 2000.
Page number 301, left hand side, prohibition of employment. Last three lines of the paragraph, left hand side. Prohibition of employment as manual scavengers and their rehabilitation. Marked?
Yes.
Fine. Read out the next statement.
Ma'am, the OBCs receive financial aids in the form of dash and dash scholarship.
Pre and post metric. Pre and post metric.
And ma'am, last, in providing social justice, the Constitution recognizes past dash
inequalities.
Yes.
Done? Done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, question answers. Answer the following questions. Kushagra, first question you read out.
Who are other backward classes?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Siddhi, tell. Siddhi or Tanishka?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Bhavya.
Bhavya, tell, beta, tell.
Ma'am, other backward classes are those caste communities that are notified as socially and educationally backward classes by the state government, or those that may be notified as such by the central government from time to time.
ठीक है. It is given on page number 299. Other backward classes are those castes or communities that are notified as socially and educationally backward classes by the state governments, or those that may be notified as such by the central government. Very good. Next. What do you understand by social justice? Who will tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, social justice provides a framework to assess the impact of policies and practices.
Very good. Where from you are reading this?
Ma'am, this is on page number 297, third line.
ठीक है. Others have marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta, tell Bhavya. Tell Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Article 15. Ma'am, it prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of person. Reservations in the case of women, scheduled caste, and scheduled tribes, differently abled persons, and other backward classes are allowed.
ठीक है, very good. Next. Question number 4. What do you understand by manual scavenging?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, this answer is on page number 301,
Yes.
third paragraph. Manual scavenging refers to the people lifting human excreta with their hands, carrying loads on their head, hips, or shoulders.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, Anushka.
Ma'am, Kumar Parth is saying that he is joining with Dell name.
Okay, fine. I was about to ask this only. I have admitted him. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Take it. Chalo. Now coming to 50 to 70 answers. 50 to 70 words answers. Discuss briefly the constitutional and governmental provisions made to uplift the status of the scheduled castes. Who will tell? Beta Parth अपना नाम change कर लो बच्चे, Dell से change करो. Parth, very good.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Parth. You struggled a lot, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe there was some error with the device you are using. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, no problems. Chaliye. Who will tell this answer? E exercise 50 to 70 words. बताइए बच्चे.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. The Constitution lays stress on maintaining the culture and lifestyles of the STs, but at the same time consider it necessary to push them toward a more positive economic growth and change. So, ma'am, they need to be educated and encouraged to develop a more scientific and rational approach.
बेटा शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट के लिए पूछ रहे हैं, ट्राइब्स के लिए नहीं पूछ रहे हैं.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
हाँ. I was confused.
Yes, ma'am. Scheduled caste, ma'am. May I tell?
Yes, yes, yes. Tell.
Ma'am, of scheduled caste. What was realized? Ma'am, our constitution makers were aware of the injustice done to the scheduled caste, made prohibitions to improve their conditions.
Provisions.
Yes, ma'am. Constitution. So, ma'am, then we can write these points.
First, second, and third you will write. Beta, first and second provisions, dotted lines. First and second on page 297. Then sixth 298, sixth dot line, eighth one, and the last one. Right? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Parth, beta.
Ma'am, can you, ma'am, tell the ma'am exercises.
Beta, you can watch the recording, no? Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. Next question is, the Indian government has launched several schemes for the marginalized. Discuss some such schemes with respect to the OBCs. OBCs का page खोलो आप, page number 299. Page 299 open?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you come to the page 299, left hand side, last 3 lines. Several schemes have been launched by the government of India. These include all the dotted lines that are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 points you are going to write. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Now, next question is, what are the main provisions of the Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavengers and the Rehabilitation Act 2013? Has this act eliminated manual scavenging? This answer, who will tell? Who will tell this answer? Who will tell this answer, beta?
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Bhavya, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, prohibition of employment as manual scavenging and their rehabilitation was passed in 2013. And ma'am, then the main objective of this act was to do the following. And then we can write, ma'am, these 3 points.
Very good, very good. Next exercise.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, women, the marginalized section of the society, also needed joint effort by the government to give them equal footing in the society. Some steps have been taken for their upliftment. Ma'am, then we can write the first point under Article 15, women have been given an equal status and special provisions have made have been made for them and children. Then their right to equal pay for equal work has been recognized under Article 39.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then 1/3 of the seat in the panchayats are reserved for SC and ST women. And then, ma'am, laws have been enacted to prohibit taking dowry, abolishing the system of polygamy amongst the Hindu. And then education of girl, child, and women has been encouraged through various schemes and welfare policies launched by the government. Ma'am, this can be of women. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, right about, what about minorities, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Minorities. Okay. Ma'am, to uplift the status of minorities, several constitutional provisions have been made. Ma'am, first point, the fundamental rights of our constitution guarantee to the minorities the right to practice their religion and preserve their culture, language and script. To improve their social and economic condition, several programs and schemes have been launched under the directive of central government. The Ministry of Minority Affairs has implemented schemes such as Seekho or Kamao and Ustad Garib Nawaz Kaushal Vikas Yojana and Nai Roshni to provide employment to these communities. And ma'am, then scholarships, fellowships and skill development programs have been initiated to benefit the minority students. And ma'am, then the last point, educational infrastructure and resources have been improved for minorities. Ma'am, answer completed.
Very good. Next answer. Next question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Parth.
Yes, ma'am, I want to ask something. Ma'am, we have to write, ma'am, all the points which is given in, ma'am, effort made for upliftment of women and, ma'am,
No,
for minorities.
The ones she has read out, only those points.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Who will tell the next answer?
So, beta, what is wrong with that? They pranks. There will be biceps. What is the problem there?
बताओ बच्चे कौन देगा आंसर इसका? ऋषभ.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Okay, ऋषभ, कुशाग्र, वंशिका, तनिष्का. Okay.